Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. This video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you OpenVPN versus WireGuard VPN. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you are diving into the technical side of VPN apps here, well, you are bound to hit the big performance debate between OpenVPN and WireGuard. Now, think of this like comparing a trusted heavy-duty truck to a sleek electric sports car. Now, in this case, both of these platforms or software here gets the job done, but they handle completely different on their handle it completely differently under the hood. Now let's look at OpenVPN first, now which has been the industry workhorse for over 2 decades. Now it is virtually indestructible, so its biggest performance superpower is flexibility. Now because it can disguise its traffic as regular web browsing, it is the absolute best tool for smashing through strict workplace firewalls or heavy government censorship. Now to combat historical speed issues here, modern configuration use a feature called data channel offload to bypass system bottlenecks. However, it is still a massive piece of software with over 70,000 lines of code. Now, this heavy footprint means it takes a few seconds to connect and can be a bit of a battery drain when you are moving around. Now, let's move to WireGuard. Now, this is the lean challenger built for pure speed. Now, it rocks just 4,000 lines of code, so meaning there is almost no software lag. Now, WireGuard here connects instantly and handles mobile roaming beautifully without dropping your sessions. Now, thanks to upgrades like WireGuard NT running natively inside the operating system's kernel, it leaves older protocols in the dust. Now, in real-world testing here, it retains over 90% of your baseline speed even under high latency, making it the absolute king for lag-free gaming and 4K streaming. Now, its only real weakness is that it is easier for restrictive networks to detect and block. Now, ultimately here, the choice is quite simple. Now, if you want a maximum download speed, instant connection times, and great phone battery life, well, in this case, keep WireGuard as your daily driver. But if you ever find yourself on a highly restricted network where your connection keeps fading, you may want to switch to OpenVPN, which in this case is the ultimate backup plan here. But that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and share button and watch our next video.